Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day video. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a while, and today I just whipped up some random things. I have some scrambled eggs, I have some mini bagels with cream cheese and some fruit, some strawberry and blueberry, and then my coffee. And while I eat, I am just going to watch some Outer Banks. I actually watched season 2 already. I finished it in like a day. I kind of forget what happened in season 1, so now I'm rewatching season 1. Okay, I just got ready. Well, not really ready. I just changed out of my pajamas. I am going to take Kobe out for a walk. It is a very gloomy, moody day, so I thought I would just go on a little walk and get some fresh air. I just did a little bit of journaling for my therapy session next week. It really helps me get my thoughts together, write whatever I'm thinking onto a sheet of paper. Thank you so much to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about BetterHelp because I've been using it for the past 2-3 months. With this past year, I feel like my anxiety has started to really build up, especially during quarantine. I was so nervous for my first therapy session, and once I was done, it just felt like a huge relief was just lifted. How BetterHelp works is you fill out a little form, they assess your needs, and they pair you with a licensed professional therapist. Within 48 hours, you're able to already start communicating with them. It is not a crisis line, it is not self-help, it is professional counseling done securely online. It's actually available to clients worldwide, which I think is amazing. One huge component that I love about BetterHelp is that you're able to change your counselors for free. So you can visit betterhelp.com, that's better H-E-L-P, and you can take charge of your own mental health with the help of an experienced professional. Also, I do have a 10% off link off of your first month at BetterHelp, and I'll link it down below in the description box as well as right here. For lunch today, I am going to make Greek salad. I've been really liking to just have this for lunch. It's like so light and refreshing. I honestly just put like some random stuff in there. Like, I know you're not supposed to have like lettuce in your Greek salads. I like the way it tastes, and sometimes I even add like some sort of fruit in it. Oh. Okay, so I have all of the ingredients that I'm going to use over here. So the first thing I'm going to do is just wash it and prep it first. Okay, now for the dressing. Kind of just gonna eyeball it, I think. I'm gonna add olive oil, obviously. Some lemon juice. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, 2 hands. A little bit of red wine vinegar. I'm really just eyeballing this. Minced garlic to it. Yum, I love garlic. Even though it makes my breath smell so good. I add a little bit of oregano. I also like adding a little bit of honey. I think I've seen it before on like a recipe. And then lastly, let's add some salt. So I actually cut up a lot over here. I'm not gonna use all of it. Usually what I do is I kind of split it and then tomorrow for lunch I'll eat it as well. I have this salad mixer from IKEA and this is like the best invention ever. It is so convenient. I'm just gonna add a little bit of lettuce in here. It's up to you if you want to add the lettuce. I just like having a little crunch. And then I'm gonna add cucumbers, avocado, my peppers, onion, tomatoes. So this might be a little weird, but I also like adding a little bit of peach. Okay, just cut it up. I'm gonna add my peach. And then I'm just gonna add some olives and some feta cheese. Then my chicken. Yum! Okay. And then last thing is the dressing. And then ta-da! That was so easy. I love the salad spinner. It's so good. So refreshing.
Second will be here. He's coming.
Yes. The strawberry mochi ice cream from Trader Joe's. Sorry, buddy. Can't have any. For dinner today, I am going to be making one of my like easiest favorite Chinese dishes, which is egg and tomato. And if you're Chinese, you probably know this. It's like the easiest recipe and it just tastes good. It's great when you like don't have a lot of ingredients in your fridge. Also just gonna add maybe some gyoza, cold cucumbers, just like as a side dish, and rice.
So it's just begun. And there's something on the tip of your tongue. Don't stay quiet. Things that we keep. You're on fire. So burn it with me. Leave it behind. Leave it behind. Get to see it's the weight of you try to keep it up tight. Leave it
The last thing I'm gonna make is something like my mom used to always make. It's just like like seasoned cucumbers, similar to the cucumbers you get at Ding Tai Fung. Such a good like appetizer, I guess, or like side dish. I'm just gonna take like 3 of these Persian cucumbers. Okay, so this cucumber dish is so easy. Just slice these cucumbers. And then I am going to add this, which is chili oil with black bean. I feel like this is what they use at Ding Tai Fung too. A little soy sauce, sesame oil, and then I add a little bit of vinegar. This dish just needs to be eaten with rice. I love adding like some of the soup to the rice too. Honestly, I do eat out a lot and I don't always eat healthy. This is typically what I eat at home, kind of like my food diaries. I'm going to finish my food. I'm gonna tell Samson to come out so he can eat as well. But I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys recreate any of the recipes, I would love to see it. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.